Hi, my name is Mayank Parashar, and this video is for your consideration for the acceptance of this project for end of the year project showcase. The project's name is Camera-Based Pen Tip Recognition. My supervisor for this project was Professor Iko. The objective of this entire project was to detect an object using machine learning algorithm and try to track it in that space. For that, we used an algorithm, machine learning algorithm called YOLO. This is a convolutional neural network that basically takes the image and looks at it once and tries to figure out where the object might be. Hence the name YOLO. You only look once. Now, when this algorithm is employed correctly, it can easily detect the object in the image in real time. And we can use that information where the object is in order to track it and do something with it. Now, for that, we use something called gesture control. Here, we will employ another machine learning model, and this model is called MediaPipe. MediaPipe basically uses hand and finger tracking, where it will try to first find the entire hand and its orientation, and then mark 21 3D landmarks so that we can understand where the fingers and the entire hand is oriented at. Now, for that, it uses something called landmarks, which will be 21 3D points. And to create our gesture, we will be using something called Euclidean distance. We will take the tip of our finger, index finger, and our thumb and try to calculate the distance between them. And if the distance is above 150, we will stop the tracking. Let's see this in action. As we can see, our hand is being detected and the distance between our index finger and thumb. Now we have to just make sure that at 150, it stops the tracking of the pen tip. The final result, when these two models are employed together, are, as you can see, that as soon as the Euclidean distance is less than 150, it starts tracking the object on screen. And as soon as it's above 150, it stops. And it's all in real time. These are two different models on the same GPU, sharing resources and tracking an object in real time. Now, we can see that we can also employ something called key press to stop tracking, where if we just use a key press, we can easily stop the tracking and make it even more easier for us to actually track the model, because the other palm detection model has stopped taking up all the resources. As we can see, the frame rate has increased significantly and the tracking is even more smoother. Of course, it doesn't work perfectly because it is a single GPU that is doing all the work. And this is the project and my model. And thank you for your consideration.